Hello, this is Chris, your warranty claim assistant from Warranty Valet. I'm gonna explain to you the steps involved in filing a warranty claim for your Cosbarn luggage. You may have purchased products from Cosbarn Luggage to enhance your travel experience with durable and stylish baggage solutions. Unfortunately, some of these products may have incurred damage or signs of wear and tear while being handled and transported throughout your journey. If you've encountered any issues with your luggage, don't worry, we've made the warranty claim process simple. Visit the Warranty Valet website, where you'll find an easy 3-step process to submit your claim quickly and efficiently. Simply follow the outlined steps, and if you need further assistance, you can find the contact email for Cosbarn Luggage below the final step. If you purchased your Cosbarn luggage from Amazon, you can reach out to their support team via the website or mobile app to initiate a claim. Simply visit www.amazon.com, select something else, and then choose I Need More Help button to start a chat with a representative. An Amazon support representative will connect you with the Cosbarn seller, who may ask for photos or videos of the issue or request a return for inspection and possible replacement. Before we wrap up, feel free to contact us via the Warranty Valet website for any assistance with the warranty process. We've assisted countless customers worldwide, and we're happy to assist you too. See you in the next one.